Hello guys, welcome back. So, if you are planning to carry your Oral-B IO toothbrush while traveling, it is very important to lock it before packing. Many people forget this step and later find that the toothbrush turns on inside the bag, which can drain the battery or even cause a mess. Since this toothbrush has a sensitive power button, it can easily get pressed accidentally when placed with other items. That is why the travel lock feature is designed to prevent the toothbrush from switching on during movement. Some users are not aware of this feature or do not know how to activate it properly. Once you understand the correct method, it becomes very simple to use every time you travel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to lock an Oral-B IO toothbrush for travel. Try these. 1. Make sure the Oral-B IO toothbrush is turned off before starting. 2. Press and hold the power button on the Oral-B IO toothbrush for a few seconds. 3. Watch for the indicator light on the Oral-B IO toothbrush to confirm the lock mode. 4. Release the button once the Oral-B IO toothbrush enters travel lock. 5. Place the Oral-B IO toothbrush safely in your bag. 6. Unlock the Oral-B IO toothbrush later by pressing and holding the button again.